Looking for a reliable automatic transfer switch that handles power smoothly and safely? The Progressive Dynamics 5200 series offers just that with its rugged, heavy-duty screw-type wiring terminals designed for straightforward, error-free installation. This switch promises secure connections right to the contactor base, making your wiring job easier and more reliable. What sets this transfer switch apart is its built-in time delay circuit board. It waits until your generator voltage stabilizes before transferring power, preventing any sudden surges or interruptions. Plus, it automatically senses generator power to avoid having two power sources feeding the AC distribution panel simultaneously, keeping your system safe and efficient. Installation is a breeze thanks to the easy-to-remove protective cover, which includes a clear wiring schematic inside. The switch supports 240 VAC at 50 amps with a 70 amp neutral rating, fitting neatly into tighter spaces with dimensions of 10. 38L x 6. 88W x 4. 5H and weighing just 7 pounds. It's compact without compromising on performance. Users in the U.S. praise the 5200 series for its spacious box design and reliability. One customer noted it outperformed the PowerMax PMTS50, which failed twice within hours. Unlike the competition, Progressive Dynamics offers responsive support and a solid 1-year limited warranty, so you know you're covered. If you're tired of transfer switches that overpromise and underdeliver, this model is worth a look. It combines durability, smart technology, and user-friendly features to ensure your generator backup runs smoothly when you need it most. No more guesswork or worrying about power interruptions. Ready to upgrade your power setup with a switch that's built to last and designed for peace of mind? The Progressive Dynamics 5200 series automatic transfer switch offers dependable performance and easy installation. Try it when you're ready to experience seamless power transfer without the hassle.